ADT is heading downtown. We got Max Kaniski with his Corvair. Sorry, Max, I love you, Grandpa. And we got the ruling family. Nico, where's that? Oh, yeah. All right. Whoa, get it on, Mike. Yeah. Wow.
I got here.
Yeah, that 396 got some giddy up. Look at this, huh? Nothing but Chevelles right here, huh? Check it out. 67, 66. One hard top and one drop top. Look at that. Happy Trevor. Can't hear you. Yeah. Dan Jewel, huh? Look at that. All right. 210 Delray Post. Look at this. We got William, I call him Bill. He's got the stupid fat Z01. Look at that. Oh. Hey. Ernie just bought himself a DanoLive sponsor t-shirt. Thank you, Ernie. My most favorite Woody photograph so many times here at Huntington Beach. And Mike, first time in, Volkswagen to Jeep. This is a start today right here. Yeah. Cool. Support the DanoLive sponsor t-shirt. Yay! Look at that. Wow, you got a carload. Cool. The bag man. Here's Ray all the way in from Corona, California.
Chino Hills.
Chino Hills, okay.
Hey.
Yeah, Chino Hills. I'm sorry. Hey, look at here, huh? First time visiting the show. Cool. How about that? Oh, Mrs. the bride. Yeah. Look at that. We got a, whoa, look at that hot rod right there. Look at this double nickel done in elegant silver. Look at that. That's really nice. Yeah. We got Tom rolling out here with a family Packer. 1938 wide, right? 5-6 window coupe. Yeah, Willie, DanoLive vehicle sponsor, Willie. Look at that, Big Perm and Junior Perm. Yo, we got Big Perm and Junior Perm.
Tonight we had so much fun filming with GWS. Doing badass. Hit the subscribe button, DanoLive.
PC with a Franken C10. That'd be Patrick Comfort.
I don't know. I looked down. I want a double-double. That's
yeah.
all I
Okay. Yeah. Animal style. How about that? Got Mike rolling out with his C10. Swinging a long bed Chevrolet. Pick 'em up truck. Look at that. Yeah. No, it's a short bed, right? No, long bed. Yeah. Long bed custom. Look at that. I had it right the first time. And look at this, huh? I had him with a 62 Fury with a cross ram Hemi in it, push button automatic. Yeah, trophy car right there. Tom rolling low. The Trevor is playing some sports tonight. Good for him. He's sporting the DanoLive sponsor t-shirt. Tom Peterson. Thank you, Tom. And Mike Miller rolling out here to 427, 1956. Two-tone Bel Air rolling on American Third Thrust. All right, Mike, we'll see you downtown. Look at this, first time in. 53. It is a Courier and it is complete. It's not a project car. That's the way it's supposed to be. Yeah. Stephen R. Bailey, 555.
YouTube's for like 5 hours.
I'll do a search. Yeah. Unless they purged it out of there. If I was here, I got it.
I went from me up.
Okay. It might have been if I was traveling, it might not happen.
That's what it was.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Look at here, huh? The 69. All right. Go. See you downtown. 1969. Well, RSSS. Yeah. What else we got here? We got Wayne and Sharon And he's got a 44. Don't look like a 44, but he does have one.
Help you warm.
And that Wayne provides our house here. Wayne, thank you. We appreciate that. Yeah, look at here. We got Marilyn. Marilyn showed up with 66 yellow birdie. Yeah. How about that? What else we got here? We got 68 Firebird, Pontiac Firebird. The plate that says 68 Phoenix on it. A California black plate. Tops down, white interior. Yeah. It's a nice night for a top down. Yeah. Southern California, a warm day, almost 80 degrees here in the beach communities. Yeah, my most favorite 4.6 liter GT. Right. And look at Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Hey,
Danny and Carrie.
how's it going? Hey.
Good, good, good.
Dan
I gotta roll. I gotta get downtown. I can't chat. All right. Denny Smith. I gotta get downtown. So we got Devin getting ready to pull out here with his Lexus. The lot is clear. We'll see you downtown. DanoLive, DanoVision.